In the vast universe of e-commerce, two giants stand out: Shopify and Rakuten. Today, we'll delve into their distinct features and key differences. In our modern digital world, the marketplace has evolved beyond brick-and-mortar stores to the infinite expanse of the internet. Enter Shopify and Rakuten, two platforms that have revolutionized e-commerce. Shopify, a Canadian company launched in 2006, is a comprehensive platform that enables anyone to start, grow, and manage a business. Rakuten, on the other hand, is a Japanese mega marketplace, often compared to Amazon, that commenced operations in 1997. While both platforms are designed to facilitate e-commerce, their approaches differ significantly. Shopify empowers businesses to create their own online stores, while Rakuten offers a platform for sellers to reach out to a vast customer base. The aim of our comparison today is to provide an in-depth look at both, helping you discern which platform might best align with your e-commerce aspirations. Now that we've laid the groundwork, let's delve into the specifics, starting with Shopify. A deep dive into Shopify reveals some impressive stats that underscore why it's a top contender in the e-commerce space. With over 1 million businesses worldwide using Shopify, its user base is nothing short of colossal. The platform has been able to reach an impressive global scale, boasting a presence in over 175 countries. In terms of financials, Shopify has demonstrated remarkable growth. In the last year alone, the platform has generated over $2 billion in revenue. This is a remarkable feat considering the platform was only launched in 2004. These numbers are not just mere figures, they represent the trust of entrepreneurs and businesses in Shopify's capabilities. This trust has been earned through a user-friendly interface, diverse range of features, and robust customer support. With these impressive stats, it's clear why Shopify is a favorite among many. But how does it measure up against Rakuten? Let's find out. Shopify and Rakuten, both giants in their own right, but how do they stack up when pitted against each other? Let's start with ease of use. Shopify is renowned for its user-friendly interface, making it a breeze for anyone to set up an online store, even if you're not particularly tech-savvy. On the other hand, Rakuten, while not as intuitive as Shopify, still offers a relatively straightforward setup process. Now let's talk about cost. Shopify has a range of plans to suit different budgets, starting with its basic plan at $29 a month, and scaling up to its advanced plan at $299 a month. Rakuten, however, follows a different model. They charge a monthly fee, a per-item fee, and a commission on each sale, which might add up for smaller sellers. When it comes to customization, Shopify is king. Its vast array of themes and apps means you can create a unique and personalized storefront. Rakuten, on the other hand, provides fewer customization options, which might limit your ability to make your store stand out. In terms of payment and shipping options, both platforms excel. Shopify integrates with over 100 payment gateways, and its shipping options are also top-notch. Rakuten, too, offers a wide range of payment options, and its partnership with FedEx provides competitive shipping rates. Last, but certainly not least, let's discuss customer support. Shopify provides round-the-clock support via phone, email, and live chat. Rakuten, however, only offers email support and lacks the immediacy of Shopify's customer service. It's clear that both platforms have their strengths. Shopify shines with its user-friendly interface, customization options, and stellar customer support. Rakuten, on the other hand, offers competitive shipping rates and a wide range of payment options. There you have it, a head-to-head comparison of Shopify and Rakuten. Each has its strengths, so it all comes down to what suits your e-commerce needs best.